Welcome to How To Automotive. Today I got a 2017 and newer Honda CR-V with the EX package, so it means it has the upgraded infotainment center. We're going to reset the maintenance light here. I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing I did was to have my foot off the brake and push the start-stop button twice, and that powers up all the dash and all the lights and everything. Okay, now what we're going to do to reset that maintenance light is we're going to go over here and we're going to hit Home, and then we're going to go to Settings. We're going to hit Settings, and then you have to scroll down or push Vehicle here, and then you have to scroll down one time here, and when it says Maintenance here, you're going to hit Maintenance, and then you're going to hit the reset the items that you want to reset. So we're going to select all items due. Would you like to reset the oil maintenance information? Yes, it's at 15%. We want to reset that, so we're going to push Reset. That's going to reset it to 100%. So now on the steering wheel, we're going to recheck it. We're going to push the information button here, and you can see it says 100% right here. So now we have just reset the maintenance lights on this vehicle. I'm Brian, this is from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching.